Well, hey everybody, it's the 15th of August 2012. This is another market maker's method trade on Euro US dollar, which actually kicked off day before on the 14th. So just want to step through that. There were some good discussions on a chart Nicky had posted and stuff, so I always like to do a little video just to show everybody what's going on. Anyway, so here we had, this is what we had on Monday. I'd marked up a couple of areas I was interested in for possible stop takes above this area and also below there. We'd had a profit lease up from Monday, market had gone back into accumulation, and yeah, this was pretty much Tuesday morning. So one thing you will notice is the resistance block, and if you remember what Martin says, you can often get your middle line of the trade range tool on the resistance line, and sometimes you can play out the 45 pips, you can map out the 45 pip move. So I was conscious of that takes us up this area here as well. So with this move up overnight, just wanted to see what would happen when we get up and above this. We may be able to get a short trade. We'll see how it goes. So though, let's just step it on. So we get a movement down, and then we get a pretty marked jump up, punching above this high, also pretty much that 45 pip move from the middle line. So that certainly had me interested. A bit of fade to the upside, and then a jump bar down. So it was at that point there, given all the accumulation, thinking this was manipulation, I decided to get in short. So I was filled at 69, which is pretty much where that was closing, yeah. And then I decided put the traders in final to layer, and I targeted 300 as my exit. So we'll just step this on because it takes a bit of time here. Just going through the day, so you can see it's going along. Obviously this accumulation box gets painted a little bit after, but it made it back to that 45 pip down from when it initially moved up, but the resistance lines obviously jumped up there. You can see it there as well. So right, so we'd got to kind of this part of the day, and pretty much American market opened, get a bit more volume and stuff. I was conscious of this area here as well, which I just put a little line on. Just concerned that, you know, this is another stop take area, so I decided to move my stop, which was initially would be above there, just in a bit, just to reduce my risk if I did decide to move in the other direction, especially given this accumulation again as well. So I'll just keep stepping this on. It does pop through and then go back into accumulation, and basically before I went to bed I decided to close half my position down here somewhere, and move the remaining half to break even, so back up at 69. So this is obviously going to go through overnight. I kept that half open, so taking, you know, profit. So, you know, down there, so 40 points, 40 plus points. Just get overnight accumulation pretty much. Just gonna skip this on a little bit, and maybe again. So finally, this does come out the other accumulation box, which has been doing over the Asian trading session. We get some market maker activity. Now, interestingly enough, as it moved above here, and this is, you know, as I get up again and go back, you know, again to do some more trading, I noticed this market maker activity move up. I'm just going to flip over to the 60-minute chart. I want to point something out. This is the high volume at 23.41 from yesterday. So if we look along a little bit, well, you see obviously the market, this is the accumulation at the 15-minute, but you can see that pretty much tagged that high volume. Also, you may have had traders possibly even trading through here going short, putting stops back above here or there, getting triggered out. So with that in mind, I re-entered again with my half that I'd already closed back in here, and just stuck a 20-point stop on and let it play out. Obviously came back, so We had a nice jump bar down there. That was pretty good. Now then back into accumulation again, which I thought, well, okay, it didn't take too long, but then whack, there we go, straight excuse me, straight down, and target taken out. So what was a pretty good trade, to be honest, despite all these accumulation boxes that were going along from, could you say they were profit laces? I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. Maybe Martin could answer some of that. But this certainly looks like a profit release down there, doesn't it, when it was moving away, and there's, you know, red intent there too, and pretty much it's where we are now. It's just gone back into accumulation. So anyway, there we go. That's how I played that one, sort of Tuesday and Wednesday. So there we go. Good luck, guys, and we'll catch up with you later.